Thank you for choosing Curaçao Medical Center for your healthcare needs. While you're with us, expect a display of our core values: trust, dignity, respect, and responsibility from everyone you encounter. Curaçao Medical Center became fully operational on November 15, 2019, when all patients transitioned from the old St. Elizabeth Hospital to the new state-of-the-art facility. Our medical team of experts stepped from the past with a history of 165 years into a future where their capabilities and expertise match the latest in technology. Patient care at Curaçao Medical Center is central and connects all functionalities within the hospital to provide optimum and integrated care. The hospital meets international quality and safety standards to take care of our patients' safety and actively contribute to the development of Curaçao and the Dutch Caribbean. Our team of almost 1,200 members of personnel cover our facility services, administrative offices, and healthcare team that includes almost 600 nurses to support our patients on a daily basis. The Curaçao Medical Center has a total of 300 beds plus 48 dialysis chairs. We have more than 20 specialties in-house, ranging from cardiology with a specialized cath lab to pulmonary care, internal medicine, neonatal intensive care, pressurized tank for diving accidents, but also to help our patients in their wound healing process. We also have a pediatrics department that is supported by an in-house RMHC Charities Foundation to give just that little extra attention to our little ones and their parents. We hope that you do not need to go to the hospital anytime soon, but if you do, we would be privileged to serve you. We are committed to providing exceptional, compassionate care, and we are grateful to have you with us during your hospital stay.